8:23 this morning. Well, it's a time of week of Fridays here on the morning show. We like to showcase local eateries that are bringing just some delicious food to Southeast Texas.
And of course, for the love of foods has already become a tradition in Southeast Texas. It's been around for several years now, but it's always coming up with something new, and that's why we have owner Jessie Ly, who's always been a good friend of us here on KFDM and Fox 4, and now you're back.
Yes, and I'm glad that y'all invited me to come.
We are so excited, and you were just kind of giving us a rundown of all the exciting new things that you guys have rolling out and some of this good food. There's so much. We can't get to all of it to talk about it, but maybe you got some that you want to highlight first, or what do we got going here?
Okay, so we do have 3 locations, and we have meal prep, which is healthy food. And so we create 2 different menus a week. We have about 22 items that's on the menu that we change weekly. So you're not getting bored of eating the same food over and over again, the healthy food. But our grab and go is a new thing that we're doing. So every day you can come in and get healthy sandwiches. We have salads, we have dips, hummus, chicken salad. We have banana pudding that's sugar-free, fat-free.
Wow.
We have pizzas. We have about 12 different varieties of pizza. It's been vacuum sealed for convenience and freshness. And we have a lot of juices. Like today, we're gonna do some fresh pressed juices.
Wow.
Love that.
I'm a fan of your drinks because I don't do as much water as I should.
Okay.
because I like the flavor. I like flavor in drinks. And I remember one of the drinks that I had at your place. It was delicious, and I'm like, and I've never had a drink like that you know, than at your place, because sometimes you buy at the store and it's just not has the flavor that you create.
And it's hard to drink 8 cups of water a day. I mean, it really is. And so like we have these things called infused waters. So you come on in, and it's about 80% water and a little bit of fresh juice and everything else, and it's delicious, and it's easier to drink than just your regular water.
Because that's one of the best things about For Love Food. They always take what could be bad for you and find a way to make it good, aka the banana pudding that's sugar-free and fat-free.
Or like, I love Chinese food, and so this is your orange chicken we have on the menu.
Delicious.
And so we make without the grease, without the MSG, without the sodium. We also have what's really big right now is smash burgers.
So good.
And so we created a smash burger salad.
Wow.
I love that. That's perfect because I don't eat gluten either, so that's kind of like
And about 80% of our stuff are gluten-free.
Love that. Oh my gosh.
Yes.
Very exciting. All right.
Should we start juicing?
Yes.
So what we're doing today is called a sinus killer.
Okay.
And so, like, my sinus is horrible. My allergies, the pollen in Southeast Texas. So a lot of our customers will come in and get a sinus killer. Very easy. It's a little bit of ginger, carrot, apples, and oranges. All right, it's gonna be a little loud. So you ready?
Oh, we're ready. We're ready.
Look at this.
Get the here so y'all can try this. All right, you ready?
Look at that. Oh my gosh.
Oh, look. Yeah. We're very nifty.
Look how simple.
Here you go. Let me get this. I'll try not to make a mess.
Oh my gosh, it smells so good.
It smells really good.
You can smell the
it's
oranges.
incredible.
Yes.
Oh my gosh. Thank you.
Try that. I need to try that. What do you think?
It's really good.
It's really good, right?
Ooh, that's really good. You really only taste like the orange, but it's good.
It's really good. Very good.
Very
Delicious.
refreshing.
Yes, and it's a great sinus cure. I have customers who tell me they'll come in the morning, have that, don't even need their allergy meds or anything.
Really?
You need to check it out, yes.
Oh my gosh, that's so helpful, because how many times do we talk to Chad all the time about what's the allergy kit?
Right.
And it's always
This is a great start to the day. Well, Jessie, the other thing we have, I mentioned, actually, I didn't know. I've known you for a long time, and I knew about the Nederland location, then the Beaumont location, but now you have a Lumberton location?
We have a Lumberton location. So Lumberton's been up for almost a year.
Wow.
Beaumont's been up for about 5, and Nederland's almost 9 years already.
That's incredible. And I think we have a graphic of, that was on me. I put the Beaumont in Nederland, but not the Lumberton. But if you want to tell us where the Lumberton location is.
It's 700 North Main.
Okay, right there, you can't miss it.
You can't miss it.
And the success, you've been a great example of how important it is to have a successful local business, but also local folks supporting local business. And that's what we try to do here with this segment. So obviously...
and I've been truly grateful for y'all. I mean, whenever I get a chance to come, like, yes, I want to do it. But honestly, our Southeast Texas is amazing to us. I mean,
they're so great.
The support has been amazing. It's just, I'm very grateful.
Oh yeah, they always show up and show out whenever, because it's all about, like you said, supporting local, which is always nice. And it helps whenever it's really good food too.
And obviously, as far as people coming, your hours, you have different locations and probably different hours by day, but what's overall, if people want to come by and drop by to pick up something?
It's Monday through Friday from 7:30 to 6 p.m. and Mid-County is open on Saturday from 10 to 2.
Nice.
Okay,
Nice.
perfect.
Yes.
All right, well,
Well,
there
we
you
have
go.
fun. Thanks for the juice
anytime.
Yes,
and all the
thank you.
treats.
And that's all y'all's.
Oh boy, man, time to eat, I guess. I'm gonna need my sweatpants, not trade out the dress for this one.
Oh, you look
All right,
fabulous.
well, thank you so much for stopping by and showing us all this stuff. Of course, go check it out.